In this tutorial, we will be learning about docstrings in Python functions. Docstrings are important because they provide documentation or a description of what a function does. This documentation is important because it helps other developers understand how the function works and what it does. Here we have a simple function that takes two numbers and returns their sum. You'll notice that we have added a docstring to the function. This is done by adding a string as the first statement in the function definition. The syntax for a docstring is to enclose a string in triple quotes. This tells Python that the string is a docstring and should be treated as such. Now, let's use the add function and see what happens. As you can see, the add function took two numbers, 5 and 10, and returned their sum, which is 15. Docstrings are important because they can help you remember what a function does, even if you haven't used it in a while. They also help other developers understand how to use your function and what it does. So, that's how you use docstrings in Python functions. Remember to add a docstring to your functions to make your code more readable and understandable. Thanks for watching.